What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We have a very special presentation for you today. We're going to be showing you how we do our pergola covers. I get asked this question all the time. What is that polycarbonate roof cover that you're using? Where do I get it? How do I install it? All of that stuff. So we're going to do a full vlog just on this installation. It's a really great option as kind of a hybrid between a full roof structure and a pergola. So it's going to give you a lot of those benefits. Waterproof, it's tinted, so it's going to give you more shade, and it's pretty easy to install. So I'm going to walk you through how we do it. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start on one side and work to the other. It's got a standing seam really on both sides. I just ripped this one down because our first bay is only 17 3/4. These are about 23 1/2 on center, so that's what we spaced our rafters at. So we cut down the first one to that measurement. We'll get this up. This will be splitting right on our first rafter, and then we'll just run full sheets from there. But we ripped it down on this side, and then there's an aluminum edge profile that goes on. This is gonna get screwed down through the top, and that's gonna get screwed down to our last rafter. Next step, we have to put this venting tape on these flutes. Pat, come over here, show them how this is made. This is a double-walled polycarbonate panel, so it's a lot stronger than those wavy corrugated panels that you'll see at like Lowe's or Home Depot. This can withstand about a 40 pound per square foot snow load, so it's really, really durable, and we have plenty of supports for it up there. So we just want to cover up this fluted part. That's going to keep any moisture out and keep it from having condensation inside of those flutes. So honestly, this is probably the hardest part, is getting this on there and then putting the aluminum edge profile on top of it. So this edge profile is going to go on the front and the back of the panel as well. And these come same width as the panel, which is about 23 1/2. So I'm going to need to cut down this first one, slide this on here, and then the rest of them go really quick. The most prep is on the first and the last piece that you have to cut, but it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna get my measurement here. It's all heavy. Whew. All right, so I have my piece cut. Got my edge profile on there. Now we can install the first one. You'll see how fast the rest of them go. And then we'll have to do the same thing on the last one. Coming in. And then we're just going to continue. We're going to put the next clip on. That's going to hold it on there. And then we have a standing seam cap that's going to get installed over top of these two panels where they meet. That's what's going to make it waterproof. While Anthony's putting in the clips to receive the next panel, I'm just going to go behind them and put this on top of this seam. Just goes on top like this. You can see you can just walk on top of it. It's super strong. It's not like that really chintzy stuff you get at Lowe's or Home Depot. Really top quality kind of stuff around here, you know what I'm saying?
Tent and eating the peanuts.
Yeah.
So we covered the peanuts in cayenne pepper. Squirrel didn't give it. Ate all the rest of the peanuts, cayenne pepper all over his face.
I feel like that would probably be pretty good. A little spicy peanut.
A little spicy peanut. Actually, Squirrel loved it. He's like, I'm tired of eating.
Probably telling all his friends, you won't believe these new peanuts I found. They got a little kick.
A little zest.
Last piece going down. So you can see we did the same thing. We ripped this, and we're pretty good because what was it? Was it the same measurement?
It was like 17 1/2 and 17.25.
That's pretty good.
I'm happy with it.
I'm happy. So we're just gonna put in this last one with the clips. Then on the outside we have those screws with the little washer. So we'll get those on. Oh, there goes Tony right now. Nice.
Justice is locked.
Now we're just gonna finish it off. Got a couple more edge profiles to put on the outside. The cool thing about these, they give you these for the front and back of each panel. So it's kind of slotted there, so it fits around this guy right here, all the raised portions. So this just goes right on like this. We need to put our vent tape on there first, but see, it just slides right in there. And then where it's kind of etched out, that's going to slide right around those ridges. So super easy. So we got this pergola cover all wrapped up, and we've created a nice waterproof shaded space. Pretty easy to do, reasonable on a budget. So we do this on a lot of our projects. Took us probably about 2 hours to install the whole thing. And Pat, give them a little pan of it. Just washed it off up there, but it's still nice and dry down here. And yeah, this project's coming together. We're almost wrapped up. Then we're on to the next project. The next one, it's gonna be a doozy, so you're gonna wanna make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.